My name is Muhammad Rizal Amir bin Hamzah. My matric number H17A0100. My part is introduction. Statistic is a set of tools used to organize and analyze data. Data must either be numeric in origin or transformed by researchers into number. Business statistics is designed to familiarize the student with basic statistical concepts and areas of application in the business environment. A variable in algebra really just means one thing and a noun value. However, in statistics, you will come across dozens of types of variables in statistics. In most cases, the word still means that you are dealing with something that's an unknown, but unlike in algebra, that unknown isn't always a number. Some variables in type are used more than others. For example, you will be more likely to come across continuous variables than you will dummy variables. We use quantitative variable and dependent variable. Quantitative variable is a broad category that includes any variable that can be counted or has a numerical value associated with it. Example of variables that fall into this category include discrete variable and ratio variables. Dependent variable is the outcome of an experiment. As you change the independent variables, you watch what happens to the dependent variable. That's all. Thank you.
Hello and good evening. My name is Ahmad Faizwan bin Muhammad. I will talk about graph polygraph frequency from our data. Graph polygraph frequency is the line graph emphasizing the continuous change of the frequency. For our horizontal scale is the midpoint of our data, which is we using class. For the vertical scale measure, we using frequency from our data. Let's move on to our first data. The midpoint is 8, which is the frequency we have are 0. Then at 30.5, the midpoint rises drastically to 15 units. Then at 90.5, they begin to decrease to 11 units. At 25.5 to 37.5 are the same unit, which is 8. Then at 43 midpoint, they begin to drop to 0. That's all for our graph polygon frequency.
Hi, my name is Induja Sivanana and today I'm going to talk about our gift chart based on our data. For our gift chart, we will be using vertical line and also horizontal line. For vertical line, we will be using cumulative frequency data, and then for horizontal line, we're going to use upper boundaries based on the classes of data. So now, come have a look on our gift chart. Thank you. This is the gift chart for our database. For the first class of database 6 till 10, the upper boundaries will be 10.5 and then the cumulative frequency is 0. The second class is 11 till 16. The upper boundaries for second class is 16.5 and then the cumulative frequency will be 15. The third class of data 17 till 22 will be carrying upper boundaries as 22.5 and then cumulative frequency is 26. For the fourth class of data 23 till 28, the upper boundaries will be carrying 28.5 and then the cumulative frequency will be 34. And the following classes of data is 29 till 34. The upper boundaries and cumulative frequency of our following data will be 34.5 and then 42. The last but not least, classes of data 35 till 40 will be carrying 40.5 as upper boundaries and then 50 as cumulative frequency. And this is our Ogif chart.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Anisha Kira. My metro number is A1880064. Today, I want to present about the mean, median and mode about the assignment. I use the mean formula for data group is X bar equal to total frequency midpoint of class divide with entry with number of entries in sample, and the mean of this data is 23.28. So the mean of primary school teachers in Perak is approximately 23.28 teachers. For the median, I use median for group data. Lower mode boundaries plus number of class divide by 2 minus with total frequency of median mode divide with frequency of median mode before times class size, and the answer of the data group is 21.96. Therefore, the median of primary school teacher is Perak is 21.960. And for mode, I choose the formula of lower boundaries plus the difference between frequency of model class and the frequency of the class before class model divide by the difference between the frequency of model class and the frequency of the class model before class plus the difference between frequency of model class and the frequency of the class after the model class times class size, and the answer is 25.93. The mode of 50 primary schools in teachers that chart is 29.93 teachers.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Atikam Thailand. My matric number is A1880043. Let's go to my part is variant. In variant, we need six column. First is class, frequency, midpoint or S over 2, Fs and Fs over 2. Okay, before we start the calculation, we have to write the formula variance. This is a formula for variance. Okay, now let me start the calculation now. We just enter, refer the formula and take the total in the column. Okay, we are finished to enter this all numbers. Okay, now we calculate to finish. Okay, for last we have to use a calculator for easy our jobs. 2787.92. Okay, we got the answer. Variance is 7777304. Okay, that's all is variance.
Standard deviation is a statistical measure that captures the difference between the average and the outlier in a set of data. Standard deviation can be defined as square root 1 per n minus 1 square bracket fx power of 2 minus bracket fx power of 2 divide number of sample. So the sample standard deviation is about 8.79 teacher.
12.5 minus 0 per 15 and multiply 6 and get 5, only 5. So we must to plus 5 plus 10.5. So Q1 I get 15.5. Okay, next Q3 we 28.5 and use the same formula like Q1. So 28.5 plus 37.5 minus 34 and per 8 and multiply 6. So 37.5 minus 34 per 8 multiply 6 and get 22.62 and must be plus 28.5 and get 31.13. And interquartile range, we must Q3 minus Q1. So 31.13 minus 15.5 and get 15.63 the answer. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syamil bin Muhammad Saadi. My ticket card is A18A0940. My part for the statistic is ANOVA. And I will explain about the ANOVA that I get. The ANOVA have 5 steps. Step 1 is state the hypothesis. HO equal mu dash bracket 1 equal bracket mu dash 2 equal mu dash 3. HA equal mu dash bracket 1 equal bracket mu dash 2 equal mu dash 3. For the step 2 is state the level of significance. Significant level is 0.05. Step 3 is compute test statistic. For the they have from the table we have primary school and secondary school. For the sum of primary school is 1164 and for the secondary school is 3322. For the average of for the primary school is 23.28 and for the secondary school is 66.44. Variance for the primary school is 83.47 and for the secondary school is 235.39. For the ANOVA, we need to have SS, DF, MS, F, P value, F3. For the between groups for SS is 46569.164 and for the within groups 15624.4. For the DF for between groups is 1 and within groups 68. MS for between groups is 46569.64. MS for the within groups is 159.4326531. F for between groups is 292.095998986. For the P value for between groups is 3.70912 E-31 and for the F grid for between group is 3.938111078 and the total of SS is 62194.04 and for the total of DF is 99. Step 4 is making the decision goal. For this, we do not reject HO if F greater than FA. For the critical region, F 0.05 1.98 equal 3.95. Step 5 is conclusion. Since F less than FA, 1.98 bracket 3.95 less than 39595, we do not reject SO. Thank you. Therefore, we can conclude that there is no significant difference between primary school teacher and secondary school teacher in Perak.
My name Nur Azli Menti Muhammad Yusof. My matric number A18A0462. My part for this assignment about shape description. For the class 11 to 16, the frequency is 15. Next, class 70 to 22, the frequency is 11. The class 23 to 28, 29 to 34, and 35 to 48 share the same frequency is 8 students. The shape of description of the shape of 15 students is normal when the mean, median, and mode are equal 8. The mean of description is 23.28 and median 21.96 and the mode 25.93. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Idina Syaira binti Muhammad Ansih. My matric number is A18A0180 and my partners doing about SPSS. We use 50 sample of school data and the total of primary school are 1,164 students, while for secondary school are 3,322 students.
My name is Nopate Pada binti Musa. My matric number is 818A0469. I'm continue about my partner as SPSS. For the art value, we get between number of school and primary school is 0.281, which less than 0.3, and the art value between number of schools and secondary school is 0.325, which more than 0.3. Lastly, for the SPSS, we get correlation is significant at the 0.05 level to 10. Thank you.